What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print a shipping label from your phone on the MUNBYN RW403B. So if you're wanting to print from eBay or just have a shipping label that you're wanting to print directly from your phone, this is going to show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing that you want to do is download the MUNBYN print app from the App Store. It's on both Android and Apple. I have Apple, so I'm going to click that and hit skip on that. Maybe later. So one of the first things you might see is it's going to try to walk you through some tutorials, and you can read all the learn more and all that stuff. It's probably going to ask you, do you want to allow notifications? And then you can click yes. And then it'll ask you what printer do you have? And then it'll show you a list of different printers. For this specific video, I'm going to be choosing the RW403B, which I've already done that in this app. And then when you want to connect to it, it'll show up in your devices right here. And now it's connected. So, as easy as that. Now, from here, it shows different templates and just all kinds of different things you can do. You can scan print, quick print, all these different things. But I want to show, if you already have a shipping label, I just want to show you how you can print from your phone, because there's not a lot of videos online about that. So if you buy this printer, I want to show you how to use it from your phone, because everybody uses their phone. I want it to be convenient. This is where you would find the 2,000 plus templates and the pre-made 3,500 plus pre-made elements that you can add. So if you look, these are pretty cool. All different kinds of stickers, price tags, wedding, daily food, QR codes, birthday stuff. So now that we are connected via Bluetooth, so that process just connected it via Bluetooth, let's go over to eBay and try to print a shipping label that you may have just had generated. I have to cut out all this. Let's see. So this might be a good example. All right, so I went to my selling tab, went to my orders. I'm gonna try to reprint this just to show you. Shipped from eBay. I'm gonna see if I can reprint. Hit the packaging and more. I'm gonna hit the just the shipping label, and then it defaults to a local printer. I'm gonna hit the share button, and then I'm gonna scroll over to hit more, and this is where I'm gonna scroll down to find the MUNBYN print app, and then it'll load in that app, and from there you can just hit review and print, tell it the size, 4x6, and then it'll say complete. Didn't print anything. I think eBay is not letting it. Quick disclaimer, if you notice that the print preview window was blank, that is not an issue with the MUNBYN app. That is because I was trying to reprint a already printed and shipped shipping label from the eBay app. I was using this as an example, and eBay has a privacy protocol that automatically kicked in and didn't allow the actual shipping label to load over to the MUNBYN app. For obvious privacy reasons, they do this, and if you're shipping a newly generated label off of a new sale off of eBay, it should work just fine. So it'll load inside of the app just as I showed you. Steps will be the same, and then you'll see in that print preview window, you'll see the new shipping label, from which point you can just hit print and it should work just fine. So as a workaround, I was able to do a screenshot and load that into the MUNBYN app as well, and then it printed that just fine. So keep watching and I'll show you that process. So there's always a workaround. But the MUNBYN app does work natively with your eBay sales. So if you're using eBay, you can use the eBay shipping label process, and then you can hit the share button and then search other and type in the MUNBYN app, and then it can direct you straight to this app to print from. If you're printing anything else, if it's just something you've downloaded, you can also just print if you save it to your phone. To do that, you just want to hit quick print, hit album. Okay, we're going to crop it where we like it. And then we're going to preview and print. We're going to do the top one, the 4x6. Hit print. Like that, it's done. Tear it off. You are good to go.